Direct mail marketing in a digital world. Think snail mail is dead? Think again. While email marketing struggles with a microscopic 0.12% response rate, direct mail averages a whopping 4.4%. So why is everyone ignoring it? Two big myths scare companies away. First, they think it's too expensive. But digital ads are trapped on borrowed real estate, subject to constant algorithm changes. Automated printing has made direct mail fast and cost-effective. Second, they think they don't have physical addresses, but you can easily upgrade your digital email list using a batch append service or a real-time contact API. Here is why direct mail wins today. It cuts through the digital noise. People get hundreds of emails a day, but only a handful of physical mail. It's tangible, interactive, and memorable. A digital ad vanishes when you close the app, but a physical mailer sits on a kitchen counter, keeping your brand top of mind for days. To get the best ROI, you have to do it right. Personalize your copy using modern on-demand printing. Send something useful to trigger the psychological principle of reciprocity. Most importantly, support your online marketing. Use clear, direct mail-friendly calls to action, like a QR code, to drive traffic straight back to your website. Direct mail isn't dead, it's just waiting for your data to catch up. Ready to bridge the gap from inbox to doorstep? Don't let a lack of addresses hold you back. Head over to searchbug.com right now. Use our batch append service to upgrade your existing list in bulk, or integrate our real-time contact API to automate your data enrichment instantly. Stop guessing, start mailing, and watch your revenue grow.